In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automatically subtitle and translate Google Slides and PowerPoint presentations. Whether you're preparing for an international presentation or just want to make your slides more accessible, these easy steps will guide you through the process seamlessly. Let's get started. Firstly, let's open Google Slides. If you're not already there, go on and do so now. Just navigate to the Google Slides homepage where you'll see a variety of templates and your existing presentations. From here, go ahead and sign in to your Google account if you haven't done so already. This ensures that all your work is saved and you have access to the necessary features for our task today. Once you're signed in, make your way to the Google Slides home. You're free to start a new blank presentation which gives you a clean slate to work with, or if you prefer, choose a template that suits your needs. With your slide deck ready, our next stop is the handy extensions menu. This is located right at the top of the screen. Click on extensions and then navigate over to add-ons. This is where the magic happens. Add-ons are like little apps you can add to extend the functionality of Google Slides, giving you the tools you need to subtitle and translate your presentation effortlessly. Here's how you do it. Click on Get Add-ons to open the add-on marketplace. In the search bar, go ahead and type in Slide Translator. This tool is going to be our workhorse for automatic subtitles and translations. Once the search results come up, simply click on Slide Translator to begin the installation process. Follow the on-screen prompts to add it to your Google Slides. This might require you to give some permissions. Go ahead and click Allow to continue. And just like that, you're ready to start translating and subtitling. With the Slide Translator added, you now have the ability to easily convert the text on your slides to another language or add subtitles to make sure everyone can follow along with ease. It's quite straightforward from here. Just explore the Slide Translator functionalities. Most are intuitive and user-friendly. Remember, automating subtitles and translating presentations not only enhances clarity, but also broadens your audience. It makes your slides more accessible, inclusive, and ultimately more professional. With Google Slides paired with the right add-ons, such a task no longer feels daunting. So there you have it, a quick and easy way to subtitle and translate your presentations, ensuring you reach everyone in your audience effectively. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more helpful tips and tricks. Happy presenting, and see you next time.